Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about this cool new tool I have from SuppressorTools.com. What this is a 3D printed tool that makes disassembly of suppressors a lot easier. This specific model is for the Octane series, so let me go ahead and show you why this thing is so slick here. We'll go ahead and get out an Octane 45, and with the front cap it's removable. The way the manufacturer says to remove it is to put one of their pistons in and give it a good twist and get it out. But as you know, your piston's going to be slimy, soot covered. You may even have to put a screwdriver in there to break the thing loose. And that's a real pain. Plus you're going to mar up the surface and you might have this thing for the rest of your life. Here's a better way to do it using the tool. These tools that this company makes, SuppressorTools.com, they have specific models for every popular can. So it has a male end, goes into the female end. You just mate them up and give it a little twist there. You put your finger in this little slot and this thing comes right out. It's so slick because these things get torqued in, the pistons get slimy and nasty. You know, it's the real deal. You can see this is a real honest to goodness used suppressor. It's not one of these clean models that people use to show you how easy things are, because we all know it doesn't work that way in real life. So to put it back in, let's say you just cleaned it, screw it back on. You know, always give the first few threads a hand turn. That's my recommendation, because cross threading is definitely not a good idea. Made it up again. You put your fingers in these little slots. The slots are really just there to reduce material, but it has a handy benefit of just tightening it up real quick. And you can snug it up with that leverage. Now, when you change calibers, you have to change pistons, or maybe you have a fixed barrel adapter in there and you're going to go to a pistol with a spring. So this guy right here, this mount gets so incredibly tight, and you have to torque it with your fingers. It's a mess. They say it fits a wrench, but it's a real pain. This is the better way to do it. This little plastic tool fits right on there, and this tool is tough. I've used it a lot. You can just break that loose, right there. Like I said, this is a used can, so there's grit and grime and soot and whatever you want to call it in there. You can just spin that guy loose, and it is super, super easy. So this guy right now has a fixed barrel adapter in there. Let's say, okay, we're going to put it on a pistol now. We put our spring in. We'll fish it, down in there, find its little home. Put the cap back on. First couple turns by hand. And again, if you're on the range, your fingers are worn out from loading mags. They're getting nasty even here at the table. Put the tool on. Tightens right back up. Pretty slick. So I like this tool. Give SuppressorTools.com a check on the web, give them a call, order some products. This is really nice and has really made changing pistons and cleaning it a lot easier. Thanks for watching.